Hello everyone, and thank you for joining TELACU Veterans Upward Bound. Today we are going to be showing you how to access the Veterans Peer Access Network and refer yourself or someone else for their program for any of the services that they can offer. So you can see I'm going to be using my web browser, which in my case right now is Safari, and we're going to do a search for VPAN. And you're going to notice that at the very top of the page, Veterans Peer Access Network actually comes up. And we're going to click that one. And the website is very easy to navigate around. It's going to give you a quick rundown of some of the services that they offer, ranging from housing, training, healthcare, employment, legal advice, education, and also inform you of the benefits that you might be qualifying for. And what we're going to be doing is we are going to be clicking on this red box that says VPAN referral form. It's going to open up another box or window for you. And also, if you do have any issues, you're able to contact them via email or phone number. And in this case, and for the example of this video, I'm going to be referring myself. The website is then going to ask you if you or someone else is a veteran. Feel free to click any box of your choice, and for the sake of this, I'm going to be clicking that I am the US veteran. Once you've clicked that, it's then going to take you to another page, and there you'll be able to fill out some information about yourself, your name, your gender, phone number, email address, your date of birth, mailing address, and if you're eligible for VA healthcare. And if you're not sure if you're eligible for it, just click not sure. You'll then be able to type in your branch of service, and you'll also have the opportunity to click on any of the boxes on your discharge status, ranging from honorable to dishonorable. And you'll be able to click any of the boxes on the type of assistance that you're needing, ranging from housing all the way to benefits. It also gives you the opportunity to click on the other box and type in any other services you might be requiring for you or someone else. And on the very last box, you'll be able to put, how did you hear about them? I encourage you to add TELACU Veterans Upward Bound and let them know that we sent you their way. Once you clicked on all of the information that you needed, you can go right ahead and click on the next box. Once you've clicked on the next box, that's it. It thanks you for submitting the form, and if you do have any other questions or to follow up on your request, it gives you the email and the phone number. And once you're done with that, you're done with your request for yourself or somebody else into the Veterans Peer Access Network. Thank you so much for joining us today. We encourage you to follow us on any of our social networks to keep up to date with what we have going on.